In this video, you are going to see how to make two columns with borders in Microsoft Word document, as you can see here. Let's get started. Go to Insert, go to Table, and let us choose a 4x1 table. And then a 4x table will be inserted. Let me zoom in. Now here, select this column and put it like this. And select this column and put it in the left. Now, click on this 4 arrow key to select the table. Click on right button, go to table properties, go to border and shading, and if you want, you may increase the border white. Let us choose 3 point, click on OK, click on OK. Then the border white will be increased. Now I have to remove this 3 column. Select it, go to home, and here you will see the option borders and click on no borders. Now I have to add this right border and here in the left border. Click on over here, then the right cell will be selected. Click on over here and click on left border. Now click on this table, go to over here and select right border. Now I have to increase the table size. Click on the table and hit enter, and you can increase the size of the column very easily, and you can write anything over here. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.